Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Perplexity AI without signing up. So first of all, visit the website, right? Go ahead and type your query directly into the search bar. For example, what are the benefits of electric cars, or why is Japan's GDP declining, right? Then type your query, and then Perplexity AI will give you a summarized response along with the linked sources for further reading. Just go ahead to explore more or to deep dive, to have more in-depth information about have more information in depth about this topic, and you can ask follow-up questions if you want to right here, and or click on the sources for deeper insights. No account required, just start searching. So you can see right here the related questions generated by Perplexity. You can go ahead, and if you are curious about one of these questions provided, just go and click the plus button to see what's the argument or what's the perspective. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.